lots of tomatoes. Just a host of tomatoes. They're everywhere. They are everywhere. Look at the little guy growing now here. Look at that big group of tomatoes. My giants of the sky. These are the big potted plants. Way in there, I gotta extend my pot. Those are my giants of the sky. These are my old guys with some new array. Got the sun going south, so there's more shade now in the morning. My guy, one of my older guys. You can hear me. Okay, I say okay. This is my bird flower. He's in the shade, but look how much he's grown. This was what I called my tuba plant. Just a couple of hairs left, a couple of petals left. Look at the seeds behind there though. There's thousands of them. The birds will eventually get those. I may harvest a few myself for next year's crop. There's a medium potted plant. I just love the bright yellow, almost at orange petals. Beautiful. Good leaves on this plant. Small guy, small guy. This was my first flower, if you remember. It's like a long time ago. This is I call this guy wilty. He's not even matured and his petals started wilting. Maybe he's just maybe he's just got curly hair like me. Look at that, the birds are trying to already get in here. They're trying to get the seeds. See the seeds back there? It's the anatomy of a sunflower, folks. All the flowering here. This will come off in time. As that head grows, I told you how big these heads grow. This little guy has lost most of his petals. This is one of my small potted plants. Very nice flower. Welcome. Welcome. Getting ready to flower. Getting ready to flower. Another one of my medium flowers. And these guys are leaning. I had to prop this up against the fence. He's in a big pot, but he just bent over like this guy. Just the weight of it. Like I told you, these heads get so big and heavy. So that's what's happening there. Let's make my way out of here. Here are my willow cuttings that I will eventually plant in the ground, but probably for the winter we'll keep them in the pots. Put some mulch around them, keep them warm. Probably put them in the garden. So, okay, here's my little guy. He's in a medium pot, but he's one of my little flowers. This is my glory flower. I've been watching this grow. I just, for some reason, I've taken a liking to this plant, this sunflower. And you can see why. Look how glorious he is. Oh, yes. That's glorious. Isn't that glorious? Thank you, Lord. Just can't hold the shot long enough on this guy. Just capture it, because soon they'll start to fade, and like this guy. This is my sunny flower. Still got some nice looking petals. That's an awesome flower. In the shade. One of my sunny flowers. This is my other sunny flower who's lost half of his petals there. Oh. Okay, you still look jolly. You can see the seeds behind there too. That white. Okay, Mr. Sunflower, put you back here. I don't want you to lose your petals, so. And then the old grandpa here. Oh my gosh, see how dark the seeds are getting now? Birds are going to start eating those out of there. Those are huge. And then they'll shell those and eat the little seeds inside, but you can really see the sunflower, the seeds behind the sunflower there. How that works. They look like teeth, don't they? I'd pick one now, but I don't want to take it. Okay. Just a pan of my garden. Okay, there you have it. On my way to chapel. It is Sunday morning, September 7th. Amazing. Getting ready for the 24th anniversary of September 11th on Thursday. So if you watch my Voices of History channel, I'm releasing some of my entire 9/11 stories. I did 22 of them in 2011. So there's me and the bee and the flower. For the warmth of the sun on my face on a cold winter's day. That's good. That's it. Short update. Short update day, folks. Behold his glory with an unveiled face. Let's go up a little higher. Back by popular demand. My lightning pose.